A clean start. Thompson-Herah has got out nicely in lane number 7. She's took the stagger from Connolly outside of her. She's eating it up, the Jamaican. Thompson-Herah into the home straight. Ofili, the Nigerian, in second in the lane inside of her. And Mboma's going to get the bronze. Keep your eye on the clock. 22.
The double-double Olympic champion and Jamaican super sprinter Elain Thompson-Herah did it again by adding the women's 200 meters gold to the 100 meters gold she won just a few days ago at the 2022 Commonwealth Games to become double-double champion, which is her first individual medals. The Commonwealth Games, while Nigeria's Favour Ofili bagged silver at 22.51 and Christine Mboma of Namibia won bronze in 22.80 seconds in Birmingham, England. Elain Thompson-Herah has been one of the most consistent female sprinters for over 5 years. After coming onto the scene at the 2014 Commonwealth Games by running in the heats of 4x100 meters. She has since then won 5 Olympic medals, including 4 golds and 1 silver. Along with 4 World Outdoor Championship medals, including 1 gold, 2 silvers, and 1 bronze medal. With her being such a fantastic sprinter, she wanted to add to her growing resume. After getting silver and bronze at the World Championship in Eugene, Oregon, Thompson-Herah decided to take on the Commonwealth Games 100 meters and 200 meters double. She went into the Games as the clear favorite for both events. She began her campaign by winning the 100 meters in 10.95 seconds a few days earlier. By doing this, she became the 3rd Jamaican woman to win the event behind J-irie and Brooks and Merlene Ottey. This win set the tone for the 200 meters. Thompson-Herah, being the 3rd fastest woman over the 200 meters with her 21.53 seconds at last year's Olympics in Tokyo, looked quite mature throughout the rounds and eased her way comfortably into the final. The stage was set for Thompson-Herah to create history once more, for her to become the 3rd Caribbean woman behind her countrywoman Merlene Ottey and Bahamian Debbie Ferguson-McKenzie to complete the sprint double. Thompson-Herah was in lane 7 and was off to a fast start and ran a brilliant curve. She led the race from start to finish as she maintained her form and crossed the line in a new Games record of 22.02 seconds to become the 6th Caribbean woman to win the title, along with Merlene Ottey, Debbie Ferguson-McKenzie, Sharon Simpson, Sydney Mothersill and Shawnee Miller-Rebo were the previous women to win this title. Thompson-Herah was beaming with pride as she gave Jamaica a well-deserved independence gift as the island celebrated 60 years of independence. The Caribbean continues to produce some of the world's best female athletes that are continuously redefying the odds by winning multiple medals and inspiring the next generation. What do you think of this performance by Thompson-Herah at the Commonwealth Games? Let us know below. Please like, subscribe, share our channel and turn on the notification bell for our next video as we explore the Caribbean rich cultures together. This is J-irie Caribbean. See you in the next video.